If you're tired of wasting money on Ethereum gas fees, I got y'all. There's this platform called Gate.io, and it has virtually almost any cryptocurrency for very little fees. So today I'm going to show you how to create an account. Let's get into it.
Audio Jungle.
So let's get right into it, y'all. Let's log into Gate.io. So I'll provide the link in my description so you could use that. But obviously I'm just going to enter it here so you can see it's just Gate.io, literally. It's the shortest web browser ever. Alright, so after that, you're going to go to right here to the right hand side. As you can see here, where my mouse is hovering, click sign up. After that, it's going to show you a disclaimer. Citizens in the United States, USA, New York, Washington, they can't use it. They can't, use this platform. And in Canada, citizens, it basically tells you who can't use this platform. Obviously, you have it's also right here too, the little disclaimer. But after that, you would enter your username, password. I'm just gonna enter one for the purposes of this video. So let's say I enter this right here. Use this email. Now that I've entered in everything correctly, it says I've succeeded, and now it's going to send me an email confirmation to my email that I gave them. So I'm going to go open up the link, email confirmation link in my email. So after I've opened up the verification link, it now sends me this thing that says your request is verified. Please click here to log in. So now I'm going to log in with my login information that I just made. Click close. I'm logging in with my login information. Obviously, I'm not going to let y'all see this because, it's my login information. I don't want to get hacked. But after you enter your login information, you would click login right here. Now, every time you log in, it's going to ask you or basically show you anti-phishing verification. So it's going to show you all the websites that are correct, Gate.io websites. Just so you don't mistakenly click the wrong website. Let's say somebody sends you a fraudulent email or anything like that. And basically it wants you to confirm that you're on the correct Gate.io website. So obviously you click confirm here. And it's going to email you a code. This is part of their two-factor verification, so you're going to always have to enter in the correct code. All right? So we're going to do that now. We're going to go to our email on our phones or on the desktop browser, and we're going to enter in the code that they emailed us. We entered in our email verification code, so now we can continue setting up our Gate.io account. Obviously, you want to do the KYC verification first before you start trading, because this is basically similar to Coinbase. It just has tens of thousands more cryptocurrencies than Coinbase. Probably not tens of thousands, but thousands more cryptocurrencies than Coinbase. This exchange is based out of China. So at the bottom here, you see of the screen, if you can't see that, you could go here where my mouse is. But at the bottom, you see it's asking you to set up your KYC now. So we're going to click that. Then it brings you to, Google authentication. I'm not going to do that right now. I'll do that later. But that's also like basically a third level of, verification you can do. Also, you have your email. So this will be the third level here. So and now it's going to ask you, of course, basically self-explanatory, verify now, or organization or individual. We would be an individual if you're watching this video. So you would click individual. It would then ask you, which country. Obviously, you may be different people, may be from different places of the world. But I'm from America. You enter in your information, and I normally use driver's license. So after that, you would enter in your driver's license. You would then need to upload a picture of your front and back driver's license, and then you would then make sure you do this as well. Upload what as you see here, they ask you to put the Gate.io ID and your driver's license in your hand. You have to have both here, so you have to write down the Gate.io on paper and have the ID in your hand. And you want to make sure you do this right, because if you don't, your KYC will not be verified. And some people say, oh, Gate.io won't allow me to withdraw money. You have to set up your KYC to be able to withdraw money. It's the same thing with Coinbase. So you have to make sure you're doing your due diligence and setting this KYC up, or else you won't be able to withdraw money correctly. So that's one thing. If people, and it can be a little bit tedious having to write down the gate.io ID and hold the fan number and hold the your ID and take the photo in your hand. But hey, if you want to be able to trade and buy cryptocurrencies, almost any cryptocurrency for very cheap cents on the transaction, hey, Gate.io is a great platform to use. And that's basically, how you set up your Gate.io account. I'm going to do some more videos on Gate.io showing you how to spot trade, margin trade. I love this platform, absolutely. And it's a great platform to leverage. In my opinion, it's 10 times better than Coinbase because it offers way more different cryptocurrencies. So yeah, that's how you set up your Gate.io account. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, smash that like button, comment, and enjoy y'all's day. God bless.